चलो.
Hi friends, today we'll see the problems on the period of trigonometric functions. Here we'll go through some formulas. The period of sine ax plus b is 2 pi by mod a. The period of cos ax plus b is 2 pi by mod a. Tan ax plus b is pi by mod a. Cot ax plus b is pi by mod a. It is easy to remember. For sine and cos the formula is same, and for tan and cot that is same. Here the first question is, find the period of f of x is equals to cos of 4x plus 9 by 5. Given f of x is equals to cos of 4x plus 9 divided by 5. This can be written as cos of 4x by 5 plus 9 by 5. We know that period of cos of ax plus b is equals to 2 pi by mod a. Therefore, period of cos of 4x by 5 plus 9 by 5 is equals to 2 pi by, here the a value, coefficient of x is 4 by 5. It is the a value. So I'll write 4 by 5. This can be written as 2 pi into pi by 4. 2 ones are 2 twos. That is equals to 5 pi by 2 is the answer. Next question. Find period of f of x is equals to cos of 3x plus 5 plus 7. Given f of x is equals to cos of 3x plus 5 plus 7. We know that period of cos ax plus b plus c is equals to 2 pi by mod a. Therefore, period of cos of 3x plus 5 plus 7 is equals to 2 pi by 3. Here the a value is 3. Next question. Find period of tan of x plus 4x plus 9x plus till n square x. Given f of x is equals to tan of x plus 4x plus 9x plus n square x. We know that period of tan of ax plus b is equals to pi by mod a. Therefore, period of tan of 4x plus 9x till n square x. This is equals to tan of, I'll take x as common here, so it will be 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus n square x. This I have written as 1 square, 4 I have written as 2 square, 3 square, like n square. This is the form. This is in the form of sum of squares of first and natural numbers. The formula is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 x. This is equals to, see here the a value is x coefficient, means this one, total this value. Here a is equals to n into n plus 1 to 2n plus 1 divided by 6. So I'll write this one as, the formula is this pi divided by mod a. This is equals to pi divided by n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. this is equals to 6 will go up, that is 6 pi divided by n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. See, once I'll do revision of this. This is the question, and the formula is pi by mod e. I have taken x as common here, so it will be in the form of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square till n square. This is the sum of squares of first and natural numbers. The formula is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Here the x coefficient is a. The a value is this one. So I have taken here a is equals to, I have substituted here pi divided by a. I have taken the a value here, and when it is divided by, we can take, when it goes up it will be multiplication. So 6 pi divided by n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. Next question is find period of f of x is equals to mod sin x. Given f of x is equals to mod sin x, we know the formula sin x is equals to 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2 square root of. So we know that period of period of cos ax plus b is equals to 2 pi by mod a. This is the formula. Here I'll take period of this one, cos 2x is equals to the coefficient of, here the a value is 2, so it will be 2 pi by 2 is equals to pi. Hence period of 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2 square root is equals to pi. Therefore period of mod sin x is equals to pi. We'll do a quick revision. See, the question here is mod sin x. This can be written as square root of 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. We know the formula cos of ax plus b is equals to 2 pi by mod e. I have just taken this part. Period of cos 2x is equals to 2 pi by 2. Here the a value is 2, so the value is pi. Period of square root of cos 1 minus cos 2x by 2 is pi, and therefore the period of mod sin x value is pi. This is type 2 problem. In previous problems we saw he has given the sine function, he has to find the period. Here he has given the period and he is asking to find the sine function. We will see how to. We know that period of sine of ax plus b is equals to 2 pi by mod a. Given 2 pi by mod a is equals to 2 by 3. So 2 get cancelled, pi mod of a is equals to 3 pi. So a is equals to plus or minus 3 pi. He asked a sine function, so sine of ax plus b is equals to sine of plus or minus 3 pi x. Here b is constant. Next question, find a cosine function whose period is 7. We know that period of cos of ax plus b is equals to 2 pi by mod a. Given 2 pi by mod a is equals to 7. So mod a is equals to 2 pi by 7. A is equals to plus or minus 2 pi by 7. Therefore cos of ax plus b is equals to cos of 2 pi by 7 plus or minus x. Here b value is constant.